Hello and welcome to yet another villa tour here in Benidorm. Today we have something really special for you. We're going to tour this 7-bedroom, 3-story villa in Benidorm. Check this out. If you come through your main door, which actually acts as like a carpool, you can park at least 3 cars in here. You immediately met with your carpool or garage. Right behind me is a beautiful garden that welcomes you and your guests. And one of the entrances into the property is just around the corner here. So let's go inside, and I'm going to show you today what 3.95 million euros will get you here in Benidorm, Spain. Venga. Now imagine that you just parked your Bentley or Ferrari or Porsche or whatever you drive, obviously, whatever floats your boat, and you enter into this welcoming area. This acts like a sort of living area, but this welcomes your guests. Although there are no bedrooms here or anything like that, it's cozy, it's nice. You can sit down here, enjoy a cup of coffee before you set on your way. Everything here is nicely designed. They only use the best materials. Everything, even the smallest detail, is tailor-made to give you that luxury look. Everything in this house, as I mentioned, is seriously amazing. Now, you've got a lift or elevator in your house that connects all 3 floors. So through this corridor, you can follow this staircase that takes you up to the 1st floor where most of the bedrooms are. Let's go, Benga, check that out. Once you arrived to the 1st floor, you can see there are loads of bedrooms right behind me and one entrance as well to your left. This villa has 7 bedrooms, as I mentioned. Right behind you is one that we call Opportunity, which we will show you at the end because it's not furnished yet, but it's huge. So let's go through the furnished bedrooms. Right here, as you can see, this is one huge double bedroom for your enjoyment. Everything in here is luxurious. Everything. Look at the tapestry. Look at the beds. Look at the the windows. It's just crazy. It's beautiful. It's just one of 7, as I mentioned, one of 7. And we've got 6 more to tour. So let's go, Benga, check out the next one right next to it, adjacent to it. This whole corridor actually leaves a lot of room here. It's beautiful, spacious and luxurious. This is your next bedroom that is ensuite. It has a bathroom built in. Again, same thing, only the best materials used, and it is pristine. Now, if you look at this bathroom, it's huge. Seriously, it's so big. It can fit 2 people, most definitely. They used only the best materials. Everything in here just oozes luxury. Right behind me, you can see the master's bedroom. This bedroom is huge, even bigger than the other 2 combined. It has an ensuite bathroom, a built-in ensuite bathroom as well. Again, they use the best materials possible. And as you can see, it serves all purposes. So as you come back to this corridor from the master's bedroom, to your left, you can see there is an opportunity to enjoy yet another, even bigger master's bedroom. If you want to have this room as your master's bedroom, you can have that. It has an ensuite bathroom already in place. Before we go upstairs, because it has one more level, as you enter to this corridor again, there's one more bathroom, just in case. I don't know how many bathrooms this place has. I know it's 7 bedrooms, but how many bathrooms? You know what? Let us know in the comments. How many did you count? Because I lost count, seriously. So let's use this staircase and let's go upstairs and check out the main area with the pool, the kitchen and everything else because it's just pristine. So let's go, venga. Whew, so many stairs in this place, but it's huge. So check this out. Look at this living room. It's huge. Wonderful. I love it. I love the colors. I love the materials in here. It's so nice, cozy yet spacious. Double ceiling, as you can see. Lift and yet another entrance. It's beautiful. Oozes luxury. So this living space is totally accurate. More than enough for you to enjoy a glass of wine, watch TV, talk to your partner, whatever, read a book. This here is your diner or breakfast area, I should say. As you can see, it's all nicely designed. Everything in here is luxurious. The touch of these chairs is quite velvety. It's beautiful. Look at these lamps as well. It's just crazy. Now this is your kitchen. If you look at the kitchen, it has a black and gold exterior. The kitchen itself looks absolutely amazing with this lighting. If you come a little bit closer, we've got quite a few things here that is for show. First of all, I like this. It's built in. Beautiful. Again, these velvety chairs, the nice countertop area for you to work on, L-shaped kitchen. Everything is built in and included in the price. Big, huge double fridge, all the cabinetry that you need. Soft open, soft close, luxury. Wonderful. And just for you guys who are actually doing the job and counting the bathrooms in the comment section, there's one more right behind you, just for good measure. I think it has more bathrooms than bedrooms, but yeah, at the end of the day, it's just beautiful. And as you come back to the kitchen, here's something that I wanted to point out. This week and last week, we toured quite a few homes where Siemens and Bosch were the main kitchen appliances. This time, we've got Gaggenau. This is how you know that it's top of the range. Gaggenau all across the place. Even the hob, the microwave, and the oven itself is all Gaggenau. And we know that means luxury. We finished in here, and guess what? We've got yet another floor to go to, and more bedrooms, and probably bathrooms as well. So let's go, check them out. Venga. Come upstairs. Let's go. Check this out. Check out this amazing master's bedroom. Look at the size. Look at the view. Check this out. Imagine that you just bought yourself this house, this villa, and this is your view. This is the view from your room. Check out this bathroom. Yes, let's add one more to the bathroom tally. Check out this bathroom. It's huge, luxurious, and amazing. Wow, look at this. And as soon as you finish your shower or your bath, you want to get dressed up, don't you? You have a dresser. Yes, a walk-in wardrobe. Enjoy. Check out this corridor. Look here. You've got these huge double windows, double ceiling, everything is pristine. You look through these windows, Benidorm is just right there. We've got so much more to show you. So let's go in here. So you've seen that. There's more. Come on, venga. So you've got the lift, the elevator that takes you up here, and you've got one more bedroom right here. It's double, it's amazing, it's huge, spacious. Go ahead, check it out. Before we go downstairs and check out the pool area, just add one more to the bathroom tally. So we finished upstairs. You've seen everything, all the detail shots. I think we finished with the bedrooms, probably not with the bathrooms, but we'll see. But there is obviously one more thing we need to show you. And that's the best. That's why we left it to the last minute. Let's go, check it out. Today's tour ends with this amazing view to the Mediterranean Sea and Benidorm itself. This is a 4 million euro view, and this is a pool that connects obviously everything together. So if you enjoyed today's tour, don't forget to hit the like button. Let us know in the comments how many bathrooms did you find and how did you like it. If you're interested, obviously, if you want to purchase this property, link will be linked in the description for you. So thank you so much for watching today. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next one.